If you want to insert out different shapes in your design, then on the left side you can see add shape is an option right here. So if you were to go around on the set by shape type right here, you can go around and type in something like circle and results pop up right here, just like this, as you can see. So let me just click around over here any shape that I have, so you can see that this is how it actually appears. So once you bring in the shape, you can resize this and rotate this according to how you want it. And over here on the right side, you have the properties to arrange out the shape according to how you like it. Let's say, for example, you can work around with the transparency. You can work around with the fill color right here and choose the color from this option that you see over here as well. You can also go around and select no color fill right here. You can also go around, select out the border for the color. So let's say I select a yellow border or maybe a red border. Then you can go around, choose the border type as well, and type in the value by going around typing it, or you can use the arrow keys to increase out the level of a border value as well. So if I were to go around, select dot, this is what you have. Click on this, this is what you have. You can also reset the palette to default value right here, just like this. So let me just go around, select this, and this is what you have. If I were to go to shape type, you can also select out different shapes, as you can see right here. So there's donut, there's like this right here, so different shapes, as you can see. And you can also add text right here, so it adds in a text box directly inside the shape, as you can see right here. And then you can go around and adjust out the text properties as well. So you can go around over here, add in a tooltip. So let's say if I were to go around, add in TutorTube, now it actually shows TutorTube when you hover around, and you can click on add link to go around and then add the link to the particular shape as well. So that is how you can add in shapes and work around with shapes inside of Prezi Design project. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.